Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make these mini donuts known as Mitai in Kiswahili. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 2 cups of wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 2 tablespoons of butter or Blue Band, a half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, and lastly 1 cup of warm water. In a bowl which has the flour, start by adding 1 tablespoon of yeast, followed by a half a teaspoon of cardamom, 2 tablespoons of sugar optional, and 2 tablespoons of butter or Blue Band, and mix everything well. Lastly, pour some warm milk. Pour a bit by a bit while mixing till the flour is well combined. I use approximately 3/4 cup of milk. Once you've poured 3/4 cup of warm milk, your dough has to be like this. It doesn't have to be too soft or too hard. It has to be in between. Once you're done kneading the dough, divide the dough into two. Afterwards, take one dough at a time, sprinkle some flour, and roll the dough into a thick circle. When you're rolling the dough, make sure you don't roll it so thin like chapati. It has to be a bit thick. Once you're done rolling the dough, cut it vertically and shape the mitai in a diamond shape, or you can shape them any way you want. Once you're done shaping the mitai, place them in a warm place and cover them for approximately 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we're going to make our syrup. In a medium pot, start by adding 1 cup of sugar and a half a cup of water and let it cook till sticky. It took me about 15 to 20 minutes till my syrup became sticky like this, and when ready, remove it from the fire and place aside. After 20 minutes, our mitai have double size. Then it's high time to fry them in the oil. In a large pot, pour some oil and let the oil to heat up. Once the oil is a bit hot, add the mitai one at a time and cook them in a medium-low heat so that the mitai can cook inside. Once the mitai starts to puff out, flip on the other side and cook them till light brown. Once all the mitais have this amazing light brown color, remove them from the oil and place them aside. Then it's high time to cut our mitai. Place a large pot on a medium-low heat and add all the mitais and the syrup and mix them till the syrup dries with the mitais. Once all the mitais have beautiful coated with the syrup, then place them in a bowl. And our soft mitais are ready. As you can see in the video, these are so delicious. Serve along with a cup of tea and enjoy your mitais. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.